Yeah, YouTube followers, you here with Chief, and we're going to show you how to build a cheap air conditioner that most people wouldn't do. My kids blew mine up, so until we can get it fixed, we're going with the homemade AC. It's not really expensive. You can buy everything you need at probably $20. But the good and bad is I got a bigger cooler, so I'm hoping that I get more air. Everybody I've seen so far used the smaller ones, which we couldn't find. It was either a big one or a tiny one. The one they had are in between. So we're going with the Husky, the Hercules heavy duty ice chest. As you can see, different states may vary on the pricing of this merchandise, but here in Virginia, we pay a 15% tax, so it's roughly $9.20 at $8 cost. So we're going to get started. You will need a 12 to 14 inch fan. You will need
10 inch.
You will need 2-inch or bigger pipe, depends on how big your fan is, how big your cooler is. So I'm going with the 10-inch fan, 2-inch ports with 3. So first thing you do is lay out your stuff where it's going to fit the best. I went with 3 because it's me and my wife, so I want to be able to share it if she wants to sit on the other side of me or not right underneath of me. So I got 3 ports, and what you do is with a marker, trace the outline of everything where you set it. And as you can see, this is my daughter's highlighter that I kindly jacked. Alright, the fan I've seen them use was flat with no feet. Mine has feet on it, so I don't know how it's going to work, but I'm going to try to get it as tight as possible. As for the fan, you have to undercut by at least a ½ inch so that the fan won't fall through into the cooler. So you trace the fan as I'm doing now. Make sure where you put it is where you put it, because once you cut it, there's no going back. You have to buy another cooler. Okay, I don't know if you can see it because it's a highlighter, but this is my shape that I'm gonna attempt to cut out. As they said, it's really messy when you cut through the foam, so I'm gonna probably pause and go outside and do the cutting, and I'll come back when it's cut. Alright, we're back with Chief's AC homemade remedy. Alright, we have cut out the holes as you can see, and we're going to put it together and do an air test. But this is something extra that I have. Me and my wife got it when we had to fix the pool. So I'm going to use it to seal up any air leaks around the pipes. Not the fan, because the fan has to be moving off and on. Alright, here we go. As you can see, I cut more of a cone shape so it wouldn't fall all the way through. I wouldn't have no problems with it falling through all the way to the bottom. Plus, it helps with a good seal. See, plug the fan up. My son's already plugged the fan up so we can do an air test. As we can feel, as the air is flowing out, you can't really see it, but I can show you with a piece of paper that it's really coming through. As you can see, the paper floats around. All three has a pretty good flow.
Daddy, good work.
Okay. So now we're going to set her down and do a little bit of modifications. Today is actually pretty cool, so I'm not in really a rush to put the ice in. So I'll let it sit and cure, because I really don't want this smell blowing through my house. Zan, grab it. As you can see, they're not tight in the box. Oh no, actually I have a problem. It's melting the foam.
Try the other end.
So I have to stop the curing process.
Daddy, you try to get some to wipe it?
I tried vinegar is usually a good agent to stop. Well, we learned from trial and error, that's not a good one to do. So, clean everything off if you attempted that.
Try the bigger side.
It's no bigger size at all. Too much. Either way you go. Actually, it's staying pretty good now. Vinegar out.
Can we just put the ice in this thing?
hold this thing. Now I'm about to put in the ice. You can use bottles, but I don't feel like waiting.
Leave the whole bag.
You gotta take it out. Gotta use the easily. Oh my goodness.
Whoa. Zane, you should come over here.
It's actually cold as my AC that comes out of my house.
That feels nice and smooth.
Well, that's our take on making it. If you like it, thumbs up. Don't like it, thumb down. I don't care because I'm cool. Have a good day, YouTube. Chiefs out.